Hi, welcome back to another Cleves backyard woodworking video. So let's try this one more time. Last time I tried a Harbor Freight tool. That did not work out. That wood burning tool broke. I'll leave a link up here for that video and in the description also. I went out and bought this other wood burning tool that I've seen a lot of people use, and it's the Walnut Hollow Creative Versa-tool. So I heard that this was one of the best ones that a lot of people use, and it comes with a lot of attachments and a variable temperature. So I'll show you the packaging and open it up and we'll try it out. Alright, so the Versa-tool by Walnut Hollow includes hot tool featuring variable temperature control, tool stand, storage case with dividers, 11 interchangeable points, lead-free solder with rosin core. Instructions and technique ideas are all inside, and so you can use for soldering, image transferring, hot knife cutting. We also have hot stamping, stencil cutting, wood burning, and leather crafting. So here's the temperature control, the recommended settings for types of projects you're trying to do, and then here are the tips that I'll go over when I open up the packet. All right, so let's get to it. Alrighty. So we have a nice case, protects your tool. We have the hot tool itself with the universal point already attached. And we have here the variable speed, temperature gauge. We have the instruction manual. And we have our bits and some solder. And we have the tool stand. Oh, so these are dividers for the case. Cut those out and you can slide these into little slots here. Alright, so let's check these out. So first off, we have the hot knife point. Alright, we have the hot knife point. We have the soldering point. We have the tapered point. We have the flow point. We have the calligraphy point. That's a nice little bevel. We have the shading point. We have 3 hot stamps. Various little designs on it. We have the transferring point. What I know about this is if you have a laser printer copy of an image, you can use this heat transfer onto a piece of wood. And we have some soldering. So let me plug this in and we can start testing it out. Alright, so I plugged it in. So right now I have on the second setting the darker yellow. So I have the old piece of wood I was using last time on the other wood burner tool. So I'd like to see how this one works in comparison. So I'm just going to wait for this to heat up a little bit. It's been heating up for about 10 minutes. Some lines going. Let's do this beveled edge. So I already see a big improvement from the other tool. This is heating up very nicely. I'm able to shade in here. Let's try this right over here. Let's do a V. Alrighty. Burning some wood. This is on the highest temperature, all the way up right here. Let's go ahead and try the calligraphy point. That will be this one right here. So I'm going to turn the tool off. Let it cool for a few minutes. Alright, so I'm going to take the pliers, gently remove the tip. Alrighty. And let's put on the calligraphy point. Alright, that one's snugged on. Let's turn this back on. Let's go all the way to the red. Have this heat up a few minutes. Alright, so here is the calligraphy tip. Let's do a little testing on here. Do the lines. Put in a little pressure, get it a little darker. Alright, the next tip I put on, the flow tip. I'm going to try one of these hot stamps. Alright, let's check out the hot stamp. Very cool. Check it out. Now I'm going to try the shading point. Let's turn this off, let it cool down, switch over the tips. Alright, now we're going to try the shading point. Alright, so there you have it for the Creative Versa-tool by Walnut Hollow. Alright, so thanks for watching the video. I'm going to mess around with this some more and do some projects later on. And if you found this video helpful, please give me a like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Take care.